Hello everyone, here's CryptoToti, the latest crypto guru. If you want to learn how to lose money, here is the best place to be. So let's start uh, with BTC. So in the last period, so from the May until now in June, we have a fall of the price, which is around 28%. And from the top until now is 36%. And from here until here is 38%, and from top until here is 53%. So we have the fall of the 50% of the Bitcoin. And if we go from this point until this point, we have 20%. And from here we have around 38%. So like x3 here, x 20% mean x5, x3, x3, and now almost x3. But from the top x2 got liquidated. So now we have a situation, the price is lower than the previous one, and we have the price make lower than the previous price. And if you look on this RSI, also the price is going a little bit low. So until now we don't have a divergence, a bullish divergence for this time frame. But if we look on the weekly, the situation in the weekly is a little bit different. Weekly, this is lower than this one. So theoretical here on the weekly basis, we have one bullish directions. Yeah, we don't know. Maybe it will come in the future, but it look like the exist here no momentum to go until 14. So now is until 26. So let's see what the future is reserved to us. Okay, if we have a low, so we have 57 and 55. So this is the the target, and the most highest is 49. But it looks like the RSI doesn't have the momentum to go so low. If now we go to this direction, now let's say, okay, from here until here, we have this area from here, 89, 86, here is the problem is here. Now we need to see very clearly, if we want as this to have an uptrend, we need to be sure this the price is closing the 0236. So we need to see another few days, maybe 1 week above 64, maybe in this direction 66, and after that we can have a chance to go in the next area at least until 76. And after that, on the 76, we'll see is come back or is going more up. So we have these two directions, yeah, 49, 55, and or we have this area between 87 to 96, yeah, or 102. So let's see what will come in the next period. Let's delete this Bitcoin. And after that we go from this point. So we have this point here. Now these are the 2 points. Yeah. So here 49. From here to 49, you see the prices has reached 0.786 once, second, but doesn't want to go below. So if we want to see a price in this area and to reach these locations, we need the price to go below this 0.786, which now we see a comeback. So we need to wait. We can have until here, order until here, and after that another below. But if we see like that, we need to see the price is not making a new higher high, but the RSI is making a higher high. So that means we need to see when you reach this point to see where is RSI. So if the RSI is above this point, so that means about 80, maybe we can have a chance to see below. If not, is difficult. So if the price is going above this point and here is going below this point, then mean we have a hidden bearish. So we need to see the RSI in combination of the price of Bitcoin. So now we need to wait. At least we need to wait in this direction to see a clear direction is an up or down direction. Okay, I need to put this one because this that want to delete. Okay, if we go from the lowest point from here until here, so here almost 0.382, so it look like has not want to go below. So for the moment we need to wait, but when you see the RSI so low, pretty sure is a good point to buy something. But you know, now if the RSI can go one more time low, yeah, and we can take the liquidity from here, or can take the maybe the RSI will not go below 5, but the RSI will go above, and this one will go below, and it will go below. We'll have the, again we have again a divergence. So let's see. For the Ethereum is also try to look similar. You see in the on the daily is the same situation. The RSI now is lower than the previous point. So but in the same time with this point, yeah, this point is lower. This point is low, but this is lower, and this point is lower than this point. So theoretically, on the long term, we have this situation then. So that means the RSI has not done. The RSI is lower, but the price is not lower. Oh, here is 12 April. So that means 12 April until here is again on April 1 in a year. So this divergence to see it in the up direction can take another 1 year. So let's see. If we go to the on the weekly, again here we have a small we have like that, yeah, and here we have like that. So we have a bullish situation, yeah. The RSI is not going lower than this point. So let's see. Let's see on the long term. We have from here until here. So if the price is going here, and then as you see, we need to price to come back above 2000 at least to see a reverse momentum and to go in the up direction. Of course, if this point is staying here, we have a good target date. In the past, I think the target date was between 12314. So this is a good target date if the price is remaining here. If the let's see if we put if we add it differently from this point, yeah. So now it look like in the half, yeah. It look like the price has going below 10786, and is looking like we can go to this place, and this is the latest one. We don't know this, but in the same time here we have a bullish situation. So we have a bullish situation in 0786, which is not good. That means pretty sure maybe it has go down to to close as much as possible. So from here until here we have 69%, but from this higher, from 2,400 until now we have 36%. So they are close the long of X3, and with this diversion that high, the price should come back. Maybe we'll come back to 2,200 or 2,600 or to 3,000. Let's see. And after that, maybe we can, only if the price is going below 0.786, we can see these regions. Yeah. Until now, we don't see. Solana. Solana is very low. Let's see how much has fall from the latest point. So we have a falling of 80%. Yeah. So if now let's say I buy this and it will go now, well, I have a 3.7x. So this is looking okay. Also RSI is very low. So here is we have again a situation like an bullish divergence. So and this RSI is looking like on the same level like this RSI. So here, let's see. We can wait, but also how much is can go. Yeah, from this price, if you go, yeah, if you go to here, yeah, 96%, yeah, here 90%, here 82%, yeah, a little bit, and that mean if you go to here, nobody, no, it's difficult to see. Okay, you buy Solana because we'll come back to 300. It's not realistic. That means the project is a big disaster. So that means will not come back. So this falling of the price cannot be go until infinite. Yeah. So now we have 80. Okay, let's go 90. Okay, but we cannot go more. Yeah. So if we have this as a good, I think in this area between 80 and 90, if the price is staying between this in this region, I think for the long term it can help. Okay, we will not have this grow up. Yeah, maybe this grow up will not come, but yeah, something can come. Doge, also the Doge. You see, the Doge is never falling under these points from the past. And here we have again the RSI is falling, but the price is not falling. So from this point, yeah, the price is not falling. So on the long term, we have a bullish situation. Let's make an let's say if from here until here reach 0.786, if this is repeating from T until here, 0.786 is 33 cents. So from here until 33 cents, we have 3x. Yeah. So if we have a good situation, yeah, we can go until here, until this one, 113, 123. So in 1.4, yeah, 1.4, that means 10x. So also is a good, but we need to see very careful. Yeah, this Dogecoin has a huge market cap. So when you have a huge market cap, big market cap, yeah, now for example, if they say market cap is now 50 billion, yeah, to make 10x, we need 500 billion. So we need a lot of money in the market. So yeah, this X is very tricky. How much X? Yeah, if you have 10 million market cap, you can reach 100 million. But if you have 100 million, okay, you can reach 1 milliard or billion. But if you have 100 billion, it's difficult to reach 1 trillion. Huh? Need a lot of money. But in the end, with a small gain from here, small gain from here, small gain from here, then you can make a good. Let's see, total. Total. Also, this is the same situation, yeah. So most of the here total trees look like it doesn't look very well. So here the price is a little bit higher than this one. So total tree, that means they don't like this altcoin for the moment. We should avoid. But you see total 2 is okay. So in this way you can have so total 2. That means the Bitcoin and the Ethereum, we are the good bullish diversions. The rest not. So we need to wait the rest. Here is CryptoToti. Thanks a lot for everything. We'll see you next time.